Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. So today I just want to share happy news with all of you. So one of our students who is doing CA final, who is also, his parents are also known to us. So he had shared a wonderful experience with us with respect to the revision exams that he is writing right now. Actually, for the previous attempt, he has prepared on his own. He did not attempt at any revision exams. But this time he realized and joined for our revision exams. After attending our revision exams, he was able to see a dramatic improvement in his performance. And he started sharing the same with us, which we really felt happy. And the major points he was sharing is first thing, when he joined for revision exams, we were able to give a schedule to him. His preparation got streamlined with the help of that schedule. Earlier, there was no revision exam schedule with him. He used to prepare on his own. But once after joining for revision exams, he was able to get a schedule and he was able to streamline his entire preparation with the help of that revision exam schedule. Earlier, when there was no revision exam schedule, he used to keep on postponing his preparation. I think that happens with everyone, even we will also do the same. When there is no fixed target, we'll keep on postponing our work. So when, as a part of revision exams, we have given a schedule to him, as a part of it, he is supposed to write 2 revision exams a week. So, and the schedule is, and the syllabus of each exam is already being announced to him along with the revision examination schedule. So he was able to plan his preparation well. There was a little bit of force on him with respect to the preparation. He was forced to prepare well because without that, he'll not be able to meet the deadline of the revision exam. So that is a major change that he was able to experience before and after attending for revision exams. And we are not conducting revision exams alone. So we are even valuing those papers and we are returning back the valuation report to the students. Based on that, students can analyze their mistakes, where he went wrong. Students can easily know where they went wrong and they can make necessary changes in their presentation, necessary changes in their preparation. And we are not confining to valuation, we are even conducting doubts clarification sessions in which students can directly interact with our supporting faculty and can clarify their doubts. So all these services he was able to avail properly and he is able to get the best benefits from all these services, and now he is confident that he will qualify in the November 2020 examinations. So with this, we can clearly understand the significance of revision exams. These revision exams will bring some discipline in your preparation, will bring some force in your preparation, will build some pressure on you with respect to your preparation. Otherwise, students will keep on postponing their preparation. And we are not confining to conducting examinations. We are even evaluating the papers and returning back valuation report to the students. So by analyzing that report, students can know the mistakes being done by them and they can avoid such kind of mistakes in the public exams. And they can even mold their preparation according to the valuation report that we are sharing to them. And if they get any doubts, if it is a home preparation, they will not take any help for doubts clarification. But here we are conducting doubts clarification sessions also, with the help of which students can clarify their doubts immediately. So all these are the benefits of revision exams, and all the students who are attending revision exams are personally pursuing these benefits on their own. So I suggest all the students to join for revision exams and bring a very good discipline in their preparation. All the best.